So like this.
I heartily welcome you on behalf of the organizers of SAFI 2019. We started this activity 4 years ago with support from Government of Goa, Entertainment Society of Goa, and National Institute of Oceanography. Our team has expanded over years with collaboration with NCPOR, ICAR, BITS, GEC, NIT, PCC, DBCE, Science Colleges of Goa, Higher Secondary Schools of Goa, Secondary Schools of Goa, and this year the star collaborator with us is Vigyan Prasad.
I am extremely happy to be present here on this 4th edition of Science Film Festival of India. I remember the first edition, and when this was conceptualized, Professor Godse, we had and others, we had various meetings, and various inputs were provided, with various central government and state organizations being part of it. And from then, it has only grown in many folds. I congratulate all those who have been involved without taking any names. I can see all the familiar faces last 4 years who are here. And I wish for this year's also all success. Science Film Festival of India is a unique concept, ably supported by Government of Goa, Department of Science and Technology, under the guidance and vision of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Manohar Parrikar ji, who incidentally is also the Minister for Science and Technology. In fact, just few days back he inquired with me again to see the preparations of this event. Department of Science and Technology has been in the forefront of many new initiatives. Science Film Festival is one such initiative. Last year we had Nobel Peace Series. This year also later on in the part of the year we'll organize that.
In this modern world, films are one of the best tools to propagate ideas to common man. And we are talking about propagating scientific ideas to people, and for that films is one of the best tools which is available to all of us today. This Science Film Festival has given thought to this, that we should make use of films to propagate scientific ideas to society and thereby creating scientific awareness, scientific attitude in people. Here we are, all have gathered over here for the inauguration of the 4th consecutive film festival over here. This clearly shows us that organizers have taken keen interest in having this kind of festival to sensitize young minds of this society.
Hectic
course of action that I'm coming from. Won't take long to talk about it, but I feel very happy to disclose it before I start my remarks here. We at Vigyan Prasar are an autonomous body of the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. And we have been into existence since 1989. And our mandate is to support all such activities, do all kinds of research and development that pertain to science, communication, popularization. And now we're trying to extend it to the extension mode. So these are three different things, but they are correlated in a perfect concatenation that leads to extension of science popularization. So what I wanted to tell you was last afternoon, in the Doordarshan Kendra of New Delhi, we had the privilege of launching a 1-hour slot dedicated to science on Doordarshan called Science Channel. And this was formally launched by the Minister of Science and Technology in presence of various secretaries and the officials of Doordarshan as a part of Vigyan Prasar, which has been entrusted with the responsibility of creating the content for this science channel